Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to remove extension in Chrome browser. So I hope this video is helpful, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So just click Google Chrome browser and click three dot icon and click extension, manage extension. So all extension here, I'm just application use launch in Google driver by Google, open driver file directly from your browser in Chrome proprietary application install on your computer. So I'm just not add it and this pin and unpin and remove this extension and Google Docs offline. So I don't need this extension and just click remove and click confirm remove. So already remove this extension and you need again extension, just click Chrome Web Store and wait for loading complete. Okay, now click on welcome to Chrome Web Store and how to use any extension if you need. So I'm just try a black skin because my theme is bright, so I'm just install COMMENT to add and just black skin and install. Okay, and I'm just click new tab and see black skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and subscribe and please press bell icon. So goodbye.